Welcome to Jerusha's Toy Box. This is part 3. Last time I got a little distracted, but this time we have the last layer. Then we got some bags in here. So let's open this one. You can see we have a girl, a little ballet dancer, and she has a little cat toy, a little cat scooper, and a little dress. She's got a little shoe and a bottle. And now, open this one, and we have a little sister. Now we have a big one. A big sister with different colored hair. And a bag that's got a shoe in it. Got another shoe. And we have this robe and a bottle. Now we have the last roll, which has a kitty in it, and a bottle, and this little pizza box, and we got 2 pizza keychains. We have this too, whatever it is, and some glasses, and a little keychain holder, and we have the other pizza, and I'll show you what it makes. It's a little heart. Now, that's the one. And now we're gonna open the last part. And we got a big thing in here. We have something with a bag in it. Open the bag. We have a little kitty face. This was whatever it is. And we have some pink hair with another bag in it.
What's the bag say?
The bag doesn't say anything, it's just got our face on it.
Go on to the next thing.
Okay, so we're just gonna leave this bag for later. Open this one. Now we have a greater one. Now we have a face mask. Now let's see what's in the next one. Now we have some blue hair and another bag. And the thing just popped out. Now we have another face mask. And we have some yellow hair. Now let's grab this bag. And we have another face mask. And we have some pink hair.
Ooh, that one's got a mohawk.
We got another bag. And we got a face mask again. This one's leaking. And we have one last thing, and it's some edible stuff. Now, I'm going to dig it out with my bare hands. We have a shoe. Now we're going to take out the wrist. We have another shoe that's pink. And the other one was blue. This one's blue. Now, we have another pink one. And make sure to subscribe and like our channel.